told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Okay, tagal kita hinanap. Okay, tagal ko rin nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal.
Yan, good morning po mga kalingap. Samahan po natin ulit si Pinyel sa exam po niya.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Ayan mga kalingap, andito na po kami sa loob ng paaralan. Ayan. Inagahan po ni Pinyel kasi alas 7 daw po yung start. Ayan, may mga tao na po dun. Ayun po mga kalingap, subali maraming salamat po sa mga nanood ng aking video. Hanggang sa muli po mga kalingap, hanggang dito muna po ang ating video. Sa mga di pa po dyan nakapag-subscribe, pa-subscribe naman po mga kalingap. At syempre palaging salamat sa ama ng kalingap, Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlog at Kalingap Rab. Lagi ko pong sinasabi, tumulong tayo sa iba kahit tayo kapos din tulad nila. Ayun po, keep safe and God bless sa ating lahat. Bye bye po.